Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to change the language in the WeChat application. If you want to switch to another language for better navigation, follow these simple steps. Launch the WeChat application on your smart device and make sure you are logged in to your account. When the homepage of the WeChat application opens, in the lower right corner of the screen you will see your profile where it says Me and click on it. After that, a new page will open where you will go down to the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option on the next page, a drop-down menu will open where you will look for the General option and click on it. The application will open the next page where you will also look for the Language option in the drop-down menu and click on it. As you can see, the language is currently switched to Auto, which means that the application has adapted to the phone's system language. You also have all the languages that the application itself supports. It remains for you to choose the language you want and click on it. In order to activate it, you must click on the Save option in the upper right corner of the screen. In some cases, WeChat may require a restart for the changes to take effect. If you are asked to do so, close and reopen the application. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed the language in the WeChat application. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.